Children, just now we have finished question number 5 of practice set 8.3. In this way we have constructed the quadrilateral BARC. This was the rough figure, this was the construction, and this is the answer. Thus quadrilateral BARC is the required quadrilateral. Now let's see question number 6. What is question number 6? Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter, length QR is 5.6 centimeter, length RS is 3.5 centimeter, measure angle Q is equal to 110 degree, measure angle R is equal to 70 degree. If it is given that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, which of the given information is unnecessarily? Here so much information means most of the given information is not required at all in this question. So which information is unnecessarily given, that we have to find. So let us draw the rough figure first. This is a parallelogram P, Q, R and S. So let us take QR or RQ. What is the measure of this? As QR is given as 5.6, so we will take RQ or QR is 5.6. Now measure angle R is given as 70 degree. So let us take the protractor first. You will draw a segment base as RQ as 5.6 centimeter, and from R the measure angle R is given as 70 degree. So let us take in our compass, in our protractor. So from 0, 10, 50, 60, 70, this is the 70 degree angle, and draw one ray towards that angle. After that, measure angle Q is equal to given. Measure angle Q is equal to what? 110 degree. So let us take Q as 110 degree. So Q from 0, 90, this 100 and this is 110. So put a dot over there and then draw an ray. Draw a ray towards that point. Okay, in this way. Now you have drawn R as 70 degree and you have drawn Q as 110 degree. Okay, now what is given? RS is given. Where is RS? RS is 3.5 centimeter. So let us take RS as 3.5 centimeter in our compass. So this is 3.5 centimeter, and from R towards S we will draw one arc. And if it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So QR is also equal to, this QP is also equal to 3.5 centimeter. This we will draw. And now as this RQ is 5.6, so we will take the same measurement RQ as 5.6 from this arc towards the second arc. In this way we have joined. Now join the earlier arc towards this point of intersection. Now this point is S and this point is P. So P, Q, R and S. This is your parallelogram. So here unnecessarily which information is given, that we can write in the answer. So what is your answer then? See what you have to write. It is sufficient that length PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. PQ was earlier given as 3.5 centimeter. Then length QR is equal to 5.6. QR is equal to 5.6 and measure angle Q is equal to 110. From these two, measure angle Q is equal to 110. So there are three measurements, PQ, QR and measure angle Q. With these three measurements we can draw the parallelogram. Using these three information we can construct a parallelogram. But again, which extra information is given in this sum? Length RS is given as 3.5. Measure angle R is also equal to 70 degree is unnecessary information. This answer we have to write, because what is given in the question? Which of the given information is unnecessary? So this information is unnecessary. Length RS is 3.5, and measure angle R is 70 degree. This is unnecessary. So in this way, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 we have finished, and I told you question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 will not come in this exam. Okay, it is for self study. This year these 3 questions has been crossed from your exercise. Which question? Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 of practice set 8.3. Now let us start the next part, that is miscellaneous exercise. So children, just now we have finished practice set 8.3. Now let's start miscellaneous exercise 1. So open the textbook page 59 and 60. So on page number 59, the first question is given on the basis of chapter 8, that is quadrilateral. Choose the correct alternatives answer for each of the following. In quadrilateral PQRS, measure angle P is equal to measure angle R is equal to 108 and measure angle Q is equal to measure angle S is equal to 72 degree. State which pair of sides of those given below is parallel. So from the given information we have drawn this figure roughly. The parallelogram PQRS is drawn and the multiple choice is given here. Which side is given in the answer part, that we have to choose. So A is given as option, side PQ and side QR, and then side PQ and side SR are parallel or equal, or side SR and side SP, okay, they are parallel, or side PS and side PQ are parallel. So from this information, if measure angle P and measure angle R is 108, P and R is 108, Q and S is 72 degree, so which side are parallel? From the given figure or from the given information, we can choose side PQ and side SR. These two are parallel because angle P and angle Q, angle Q and angle S, they are equal. Angle P and angle R are equal. Opposite angles are equal here. That's why these two sides are parallel. So from the given choices, only this side is parallel. Side PQ and side SR is parallel. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 1, second part. Read the following statement and choose the correct alternative from those given below them. Now diagonals, these are the options given. We have to choose any one answer. Diagonals of rectangle are perpendicular bisector of each other. Then diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Then diagonals of a parallelogram are perpendicular bisector of each other, or diagonals of a kite bisect each other. So here which statements are true, that we have to choose. So A is given, option A is statement 2 and 3 are true. Then B, only statement 2 is true. Then statement 2 and 4 are true. And D option is statements 1, 3 and 4 are true. So choose now which is true. Only B, statement 2 is true. See, what is statement 2? Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay, so this is the correct statement and this we have given in the answer. Okay children, now this is the question number 1, second part. Now page number 60, turn out page number 60 of your textbook and then take out question number 16. This question is based on chapter 8. Draw a parallelogram ABCD such that length DC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, measure angle D is equal to 45 degree, length AD is equal to 4 centimeter. So draw the rough figure with this given information. DC is 5.5, then measure angle D is 45, then length AD is 4 centimeter. Now as it is a parallelogram, when AD is 4 centimeter, BC is also 4 centimeter, AB is 5.5 as DC is 5.5. So let us start the solution. Opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent because the parallelogram has opposite sides equal. Therefore, length AB is equal to length DC is equal to 5.5. length AD is equal to length BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Now opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. This also we know. This is the property of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, measure angle D is equal to measure angle B. These two opposite angles are equal. Measure angle D is equal to measure angle B is equal to what? 45 degree, because measure angle D is given as 45. So naturally B will also equal to 45. Now measure angle A, this measure angle A plus measure angle D is equal to 180. Why? Because as these two sides are parallel, the adjacent angles A and adjacent angle D, they are supplementary. So if we take the measure of angle A plus measure angle D, this will be equal to 180. So measure angle A plus measure angle D is equal to 180. What is the reason? Adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore, measure angle A plus D is given as 45 degree. So A plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measure angle A is what? 180 minus 45, that is equal to 135. Therefore, as measure angle A is equal to 135, A is 135 means what? Opposite angle C is also equal to 135. Therefore, measure angle C is equal to measure angle A is equal to 135. Now, we have written the written part of this figure. Now, we have to construct also. So, we have drawn and we have written the important information about the figure. And now what we will do? We will do the construction of this question on page. Okay? Children, question number 16. On page we will do the construction. Draw a parallelogram ABCD.